Hey, if you've ever tried to analyze Instagram content manually, copying captions, counting likes, tracking posts, you already know it doesn't scale. In this video, I'll show you how to automatically scrape Instagram posts, reels, and engagement data without logging in. And this is using the Instagram Post Scraper by ParseForge, which you can find on Apify or in the link down in the description. This actor lets you extract Instagram data from user profiles, individual posts, and reels, and it returns everything in a clean dataset. Captions, likes, comments, views, hashtags, mentions, media URLs, and timestamps. Ready for Excel, Google Sheets, or BI tools. This is perfect for competitor research, influencer analysis, and content performance tracking. So, how does it work? The input is pretty simple. You just have to insert an Instagram URL or the username. For example, you can add the NBA, and you can add as many as you want. Next is the maximum number of items you want scraped per profile, and then the maximum number of items in total. You can also add a date to limit how far back the scraper should go and gather the data. So, once everything is set, you can either start the actor once or you can schedule it to run according to your needs. For this demo, we'll run it once. Now, we'll let the actor do its magic. Once the run finishes, you'll get this dataset table in the Output tab. Each row represents one post, and it includes captions with hashtags and mentions, like counts, comment counts, and view counts. It includes what media type it is, and the post and profile URL. As you can see, we have the last 10 posts from the Instagram account and the last 10 posts from the NBA account. And you can also download all of this data as a JSON, CSV, or Excel file. So instead of guessing what's working on Instagram, you now have real data. What formats get the most engagement, how often competitors post, and which captions or hashtags perform best. If you work with social media data and want speed, scale, and accuracy, this scraper is a no-brainer. If you have any issues, feel free to contact us. Thank you.